Alright guys, it finally came today. Shipping from the western states are a pain in the butt right now. Obviously they sent it from Texas because that's where they're at. So I'm just going to let you guys scan over the box here. If it would have came USPS, it would have been next month before it got here, because I ordered some stuff from out west that came USPS, and it literally took a month to get here. You just got the brand on the side there. I always love the boxes on these things. There's a little bit of a shadow there. Hard to see. Let's see if there's anything on the back here. So that is what your box looks like, guys. Real slick looking box. And it's not very big either. Alright. Actually put this down here so it doesn't fall off there. Alright, so they did send the headphone version. So Dave will have himself some nice brand new wireless headphones with it. There's one charging cord and another charging cord. Both the micro USB cord, I believe is what they're called. One for the headphones. Seems like there's a little bit of shadow there too. Well, let me see, my phone screen might be turned down here. I can't adjust it while I'm on the video. But so you get one for the headphones, one for the unit. Excuse me. There's your headphones there. Well, let's see if I can get this thing out one-handed on my phone. Oh, that's cool. I love that. And I don't know if they were all like that before or not. That just pulls right out. So there you go, there's the head unit. Trying to do one-handed here, guys, sorry. Garrett, I'm very impressed. I love these rubber style grips you guys have switched to. I love that tackiness and I love the feel of it. I'm so glad you guys did this on the AT series as well. So, I love it. Some people don't like these S shafts. I like the S shafts. That's my personal love S shaft detectors. Guys, they did a great job on the screen of this machine. I love it. I love the look. It's just a very slick looking machine and I love it. Turns right. I'm losing my voice. Turns right on, right out of the box. No charging. The battery is at 3/4 out of the box. So, just great, awesome looking LCD screen. If you guys watched my other videos, I did take them all down because we're just gonna start fresh, guys. That was a test machine. We're gonna start fresh with a full production machine. If you guys watch my other videos and you guys know how the options work on these machines, I love the options. It's just, everything on the machine is just so smooth to operate. I love it. And your rods are there. I'm just going to leave them on there for now. And there's your coil. You guys don't have to cut these zip ties. I'm guilty of it too, but they put these awesome zip ties in. They're probably obviously reuse them. There's a little button right there. Probably not gonna be able to do it one-handed. Oh, yep, I got it. There we go. Just push that little button. You don't even have to cut it. I was guilty as could be with these zip ties. Yeah, there's just a little button right there. You just push that little button down and it comes right out. You don't even have to cut it. And there is their Viper coil. And that's another thing I love about Garrett, is that their coils, I feel like their coils are probably by far the most sturdiest coils I've ever used. They're not a cheap plastic or anything like that. So, Garrett makes solid built machines, guys. That's why I've always, I'm not easy on my machines. I've told you guys when I dig, I dig with my left hand, and then I tend to kind of put a little weight on my right hand that's holding the metal detector, put weight on the metal detector, and their shafts have no problem, you know, taking that little bit of weight. So they built some, you know, they built some amazing, solid, sturdy built machines, and I love them for it. So, I still do have Dave's permission to take this out and run it. I'm not going to review it so much, but I'm just going to take it out and run it. You know, and see how she does. So, I'm still excited to use it. Still excited to get my hands on a brand new machine and give her a test run. And I appreciate Garrett for sending that out to me. Like I said, it's not mine to keep, it's Dave's, and I'm going to give it back to Dave. But it's cool of Dave to let me try it out too. Alright guys, that's about it. I'm going to get this thing all, well, I'll probably go ahead and put it together. So, let's see, get her turned on. Take her around the yard. I've not pulled any silver out of my yard, so maybe this will be the machine that gets my first silver, guys. I've kind of made myself a deal as like the first machine that gets the first silver out of my yard, and I live in a 200-plus-year-old farm. That's the machine for me. So, and no machines have yet pulled a silver out of this yard. Yeah, I know there's got to be silver in this yard. So, alright guys. So, you guys have all seen Garrett's machines put together. Real simple, real easy to do. Wonder if I can see. Okay, they're in there. There's your little bolt and nut thing, and then the washers are on there right there. 2 washers. Alright guys, that is the unboxing of the Ace Apex. So, we will get her put together soon and get out hunting. Thanks for watching.